Gurdev Singh from Government Middle School Kallewal. This is a model of kinds of verb. Is this? It shows the how many types of verbs. This is a first verb, second and third. This is a eat with the Punjabi khana, ate, eaten. This picture also shows the verb. It works like this. Like this, saaf karna, clear, cleared and cleared. This is run, ran and ran. The pictures also shows the verb. It works like this. Yes. Dance, nachna, danced, danced and danced. The pictures also shows this. It is very useful and also used to learn how many types of verbs. It also helps the students to easily learn the verb. This is and this is. Last page, bathe. Here all the pictures shows the verbs. Try to catch this like this. I hope you like this. I have tried to my best. Thank you very much.